Oh, G wagon, yeah! Woo! Car spotting is going well.
अब जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं दोस्तों, हम खड़े हैं इधर बेजिंग में।
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Beijing. So yesterday we had quite a long travel. We went straight to the Xiaomi YU7 launch event.
It's the domestic market launch where they're going to be announcing the pricing, the specs. In fact, they're doing exactly that right now.
This is a really cool place to be. In which showroom in the world can you buy a vacuum cleaner in the same place as a 1500 horsepower electric car? That is pretty insane.
Back to back, can't feast too
We've come to the MI home store. There's a real lot of cool stuff here, including the SV7 Ultra. You also have some very cool wheel options, examples of paint finishes, material choices for your seats. So it really feels like a luxury car showroom. And then when you come further, it is also a tech showroom because you have a tablet, a phone, a watch. I don't even know what this is. I'm just kidding. This is a Wi-Fi router, speaker, home smart cameras to make your rice, vacuum cleaners, a neck pillow, massager, a whole lot of cool stuff. But since this is PowerDrift, let's head towards the cars.
We outside and you know it's lit.
So EVs have a trend of going fairly minimalistic with their interiors and they avoid like physical controls. You can add this module, which is every single physical control that you would need, magnetically onto your car after you purchase it or during your purchase, which I think is really cool. And it's not just stuff like this, they have even like the boss mode control. So it's like a round switch. You can magnetically place it onto the front passenger seat and use that as the boss mode control. This is the YU7. This was launched yesterday in China for an effective price of 30 lakh rupees, which is relatively affordable for the kind of specs that they're offering. It goes up to 40 lakh rupees and that goes 0 to 100 in 3.2 seconds. The max amount of range you can get on one of these is about 835 kilometers. 600 horsepower SUV that looks like that at 40 lakh rupees.
We outside and you know it's lit. We don't worry about the time, we just savor it.
And now we're at Xiaomi's campus here in Beijing.
It's a major hit.
Pretty open campus, if I'm honest, very peaceful.
Stand up, tell the truth, cause we let
Let's see what we might find on the inside.
tell them catch up.
So we're just getting a quick walkthrough of Xiaomi's smart home 2-bedroom apartment here with pretty much everything being Xiaomi products. Perhaps the coolest though is this. Looks like an ordinary coffee table, but it's actually a smart coffee table with a refrigerator here to chill your drinks, and the front of it is actually an entire speaker. I mean, chill drinks and a speaker in the center of your entertainment setup. That's awesome. That is a Xiaomi fish tank.
Some of the stuff inside was like proper like Tony Stark level stuff.
But the coolest thing is here. Planning to steal that.
And now Alameen and I will get to doing some fun stuff.
Okay, when I say go, take a deep breath, try to relax. Okay, go.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning from day number 2. We just had a tour of Xiaomi's EV factory and the main difference here is firstly the scale. The scale at which these guys are operating is insane. The second thing is the automation of the factory. You see very few workers. You see mostly machines doing the work. It's like a highway of autonomous things carrying car parts, which is just really cool to see. It seems like something out of a sci-fi movie. Third thing for me is the cleanliness. You could see the floor and probably eat off the floor. It was that clean. Xiaomi's done that in maybe the last 3, 4, 5 years. Very impressive. And now we're going to get to experience the car and sit in it and get a ride in the SU7 Max. Verstappen. That thing is
quick.
Quick, man. We're done with the work now, and now we're shopping.
We're currently at Nike and Al needs a backpack, which is why I am now behind the camera. Woo! Al has got the bag. Thank you. Bye-bye. We're finally awake at 5:37 p.m. on day 3 after a pretty heavy night. Pretty heavy night yesterday, and we are making the most of the day by heading to something called the
Wangfujing pedestrian street, which is pretty much in the heart of Beijing. Lots of people here, lots of shops, lots of walking that we're going to need to do. Oh, bro, R33. Sylvia S15. Old Impreza. अरे भैया चलो यार. Day 3 and Al is back at Nike store. Most of the time the camera's in my hand. I am actually carrying his shopping bags and his umbrellas so that he can shop. Bro, it's looking really nice, man. The color is like suiting you like mad. Really, really good, bro. Let's go.
There's still time for a Christmas present for me if anyone wants to buy. I'm a size Porsche 911 Lego.
Finally, we are now back to having dinner.
So we're at the hot pot place and you asked for what kind of soup do you want. So they've given us the option of spicy, clear and tomato. Al is sweating completely. I am sweating.
Just finished dinner. It was so good. Solid 8.5 out of 10.
So Karan, how was the hot pot?
The hot pot wasn't that hot going in through the mouth, but today morning, that's when we realized how hot it was when we were on the pot. Yeah, pretty hot. Tomorrow, we are heading to the Great Wall of China, so that Al can't shop anymore, basically. We were supposed to go to the Great Wall today, but we have slightly cancelled the plan, so we are instead going back to the shopping street.
Size 9 in this?
The two-wheeler market is also very unique. It's mostly delivery guys that are using these. So it's mostly EVs and it's mostly scooters, but it's pretty much dominated by Chinese. It's like a tongue twister. And yeah, look at the cars. Chinese. This is like the definition of how to get local products at the top, and automatically people will buy local products. They've given us some tea to try. It's so refreshing. इसको नहीं पता है कि मैं already पी चुका हूँ. Wow, so refreshing, so refreshing. Oh, Golf GTI, I think, bro. Golf R, man. That's a good spot. This is attempt number 2 at car spotting. Oh, RS6. I think that's Zeekr. That's the brand. Very, very cool looking cars, man. Like really cool looking cars. Talkiman Rally. Takli Makan Rally is what it says on the side. I don't think that's the name of the car. Oh, G-Wagon, yeah! Car spotting is going well. Hey, Bronco. What is that, bro? That's the car for you, bro. I think I found my, what's it called? My spirit vehicle. Defender. Hey, Xiaomi SU7. Oh, M2. Oh, shit. Send it. He, in fact, did not send it. That's a bus. Bus में निकल जाता हूँ मैं. भैया Swargate. There's so many European cars, Mercedes, BMW, Audi that are sold as long wheelbase versions here. This is now a parked GLC 300L
L is of course long wheelbase. It's got a slightly longer rear door. We have been getting some long wheelbase sedans like the E-Class in India, but it would be cool if Mercedes also brings their long wheelbase SUVs to India, and I think they would actually do really well. Back to car spotting, nice grey M3. Competition. Toyota. Cullinan in a nice shade of black. Nice green Audi S5. Oh, M4! Oh! Man, we've actually seen very few of these cars with funky wraps here in China. This is a Li Chang mega home. It's got a Hello Kitty X Shin Chan wrap. I mean, as a soccer mom school van, this is peak. And this brings an end to our 10 on 10 7-day trip here in China. Xiaomi itself has just blown our mind. They've just killed it absolutely for such a young car company to build that factory from ground zero and to delivering a car in just a span of 3 years is incredible. They're already out with their second car. I can't wait for them to expand and come to India very soon. Just by the way, they're not coming to India because they first want to get the product right to global standards and then expand. Getting to experience the Mi Home stores, the factory, everything was just consistently mind-blowing. They're also seeing so many Chinese cars that have, again, these companies have all come in the last 3, 5, 10 years. And the fact that they are dominating the streets out today with world-class products is, I think, something of great learning for us in India. And I think we can take it on a positive note. And then finally, the city of Beijing has just been wonderful, super hospitable, great weather, completely rich. Is not something I'd say actually. The hot pot wasn't is to come to China and experience it for yourself. Trust me, you're really going to enjoy it. And finally, a shout out to our man Alameen behind the camera, who's absolutely killed it, taking the camera pretty much everywhere, which is not an easy job to do. So shout out to him and thank you for watching PowerDrift. I'll see you guys in the comment section. Hey, Bronco. Oh, RS6. Golf R, man. Xiaomi SU7. Oh, M2. Oh, M4. Oh, man.